Every Muffet here, coming to you live. And you know, I know it says in the Bible, ask and ye shall receive. So I want to keep it real simple and just ask, hey now, why don't you have me out there for your show or your program or whatever you got going on? I would love to join you and be your guest. I even bring little Miss Pretty here. Look at her, got a new sweater looking so cute. See something, she got her own luggage too. She get on the plane with me, and well, she had the food on the plane, but anyway, she's a sweetheart, and well, you go on with the bad self. But we love to join you and come and tell stories. You know, I love everybody, and I got lots of stories. I know a lot about the history of the Negro. I mean the color. I mean the Afro or the black. Well, whatever we call ourselves today, you know, they change it all the time. But you know, I know a lot of folks, and I thought we got to the new millennium, we was gonna call ourselves the mahogany people of the sun, or something. I don't know, but I tell you, I know a lot of showbiz folks, and I know a lot about the men and the women, and I'm a single lady. You know, I go, hey, put the hands up, represent. That's right, Edmund Mumford. What they call the old ladies that like the young fella. The cougar. Well, I'm not the cougar no more. Edmund Mumford is beyond that. I'm what they call a saber-toothed tiger, baby. Prehistoric. But I stand on the promises. And I like to tell folks, wait on the Lord, be of good courage, or just do, make like Lee Nails and press on. Hey, what you bet? But I know a lot of famous people. I like to tell a story. I met Sammy Davis Jr. You know, way back when he used to walk around tipping, he said, Esme, I want to call myself the Magic Man. I said, no, come here, Sammy Davis. I looked him in the eye, in the good eye, and I said, wait a minute, Sammy Davis Jr., you too sweet for that. You not the Magic Man, you the Candy Man. Get the tipping. Honey, he never looked back, and the rest is history. I told Martin Luther King Jr., don't talk so much, baby. Pay attention to your dreams. You're going to have an important one day. And I tell you, he had a dream, all right. He never looked back. And the rest is history. So get in touch with me. I'll even tell you how the Black Eyed Peas almost was the String Beans. Hey, that's the story right there. And I tell you, we're going to have a hallelujah time. I'll bring you some Apalachicola oysters. I'll sit on your couch or in your chair as long as you let me. If you give me a cookie, I'll stay even longer. And I tell you, we have a good old time. Don't ever look back. And the rest will be history. I love you. Mwah! All right, now, turn this off. Wait. What happened? You told me that's how